Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl D, and welcome back to another story time. I know I'm not overly excited right now, but that's because I don't know what's going on with my I don't want to get into that right now, but I'm just feeling so stressed out. A lot's been going on and I'm feeling so stressed out, and you guys are killing me to do my videos, so I can't disappoint. I gotta be here, I gotta like be with you guys. But why don't I watch a video them do? I'm gonna get it 5 minutes. Yeah, like I'm trying to figure out like I'm just guys, I'm just so stressed out. Y'all like gonna have to sit with me, like me really stressed out right now. Extremely frustrated right now. But anyways, let's get back to the story time. So tonight's story time, I'm gonna talk to you guys about a recent relationship that didn't go so well, and I was pissed. I was so pissed that I threw the person out of my house. Why I'm a short the boy, I'm too outside. I told him what happened. I give him the sauce. Make him know what go on. You don't know my story time them ever at, don't it? And like, you people are so disrespectful, honestly. Like, someone wanna say something sometime I have to really just I feel like I don't squeeze on, but I can't squeeze on, so I have to leave, you know. Story time though. Let's jump straight into the story time. So there I was going through Instagram the other day, and I saw this pretty little boy, this pretty little cute, nice, sexy, gorgeous, good looking nigga, baby, pretty boy, browning, white man, bleachers, boy, pop up. And in my head, I was like, damn, he's fine. Who did I know I say? The boy is an Instagram man. I have a name for them. BH. BH. That is BIG WHO. You know the rest. I don't need to tell you the rest of that. But I just need to cough it out and spell it out. You don't know how it goes. You can't spell, you don't know a big wa it be. If you don't know a big wa, comment it right under that something. You spam out the comment section with big wa it be. So you don't know what say. I'm going to say boom bam back flick. So I'm going to invite such person at my place and thing. So it's like me and such person on the phone and we are talking. Me I tell him I fall for the boy, cause the boy full of lyrics, the boy full of style, the boy full of swag. The boy texts me every single day, the boy call me every single day. And when you've been single for so long and people are check by you, you feel marvelous. You feel happy, you feel special. Yeah, me feel special. So should the boy call and text down my phone and so me feel good. If the boy come and the boy don't get me, the boy start going the most way. And girl, me feel really, really good. Kind of my man, me as the boy rate me in. Then somebody couldn't rate somebody so fast. And then show the boy cute. Me just feel like one big bud idiot. Me just feel like one big bud hummingbird. Me just feel like one newborn baby where I suck titty. We say, I feel like when I get my brand new post clocks. I feel like when clocks are wearing cartel come up with a new song, we say, the clock song there, and everybody I buy new clocks and I get new clocks and I wear new clocks. That's how me feel good. Come here and say, yeah, cute boy like me, cute boy obsessed over me. I never know say I never know good. You know, wait, not gonna where the story just start. Gotta take a sip. You gotta take a sip of the rum. You gotta take a sip of the rum. Wanna now watch my story then make sure it's on over us. So I'm gonna say boom bam 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 flick, you know. And me and the boy I takes good. The boy come out strong. The boy like me, bad. Me like the boy, badder. The both of us like each other, bad. Hey. So people, me and this boy I'll take some, and now I'm gonna start catch feelings for people, man. My feelings them strong and turn over. Only know what say, top man, come to my place. So we there and we're easy with still, but me and him and my friend did there. Cause I don't know say Me I tell you the first approach is like I did curfew time, so everybody know curfew. So curfew time, I would up on the town. Says like I'm calling Mr. Wade, how long like look how long with this I wait for you and curfew you go start, and if curfew starts, oh you go reach on here, and if me go left you go send me this, you can make you come from so far and has dead comfort kill one man come back. One up for something. So top man start get agitated, irritated. All the word go my frost, me not too know. Top man start get I wanna go on in here. Top man start get one heap away. So we go say boom bam 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 flick now. I will pick him up. Won't pick him up. First one he come out of the car. A BBC and BB clat and BB all type of BB things. Una call man man drive the bus and me I say then I when me get this a sister from, because you come on the first thing you feel like for do I come start argument friendly. You just come on ready for start argument, so like your tongue longer than for nobody else tongue in here. Anyways, I have to follow up the boy, because true me I tell you somebody don't catch feelings for the boy. I don't feel like the boy I'm Mr. Happy, Mr. Man, Mr. Everything. So I never too really that watch the bad habit them and stuff. Go to the other joke now, you know. After all me and my friend them there, me they talk on my phone with my people them, because this boy come now, you know, because we say, alright, they are so good now. They talk to my friend them and so when me look to right side, that man come grab my phone out of my hand and say him will box me if me think him afraid for box me. So hear me with my tough self, then box me now. Box me, tell you not own me. Me is nothing. Well, you not own me. What you mean by you box? Then hear me catch coward. Nobody do it, man. Nobody do it. Because I don't know say we as women sometimes we flip off our mouth and flip off our mouth. But when it comes to the test, we just easy with self, because sometimes we too can't bother with the fighting thing. So I just say Ray and Tate. You don't know say curfew and quarantine and them look at something go on. That man end up stuck for a couple of days, can't go nowhere. Me they are mad. I are the one that was mad. Me and my friend there too we are mad. One top man left, top man can't leave. No matter how we beg top man forgot, top man can't go. No matter how we put top man things up out the door, top man can't. We don't even understand the struggles. No matter how we put out top man still there. If we run him at the store, go on here, yeah, top man is still here. If we put out top man still there. If me lock out top man still there. Me and top man cause, top man still here. For fight, top man still here. Me call police, top man still here. Because of the quarantine. People, nothing never at me, so nothing never hurt me so in my whole life yet. That's the truth to me, I tell you. You ever have somebody around before and them disrespectful, them just not have known about them class just down the so them are the lowest. You ever have somebody around you every single day them get up and talk about lobster and crab and fish and shrimp, and they never show what for buy lobster and crab and fish and shrimp. But if you cook mackerel and rice, them try to disrespect you and be like, oh, you're poor girl, you're broke girl, because mackerel dirty crosses, sir. Let me explain this to you, dirty man. If I'm mackerel and rice, me have a cook a mackerel and rice, I'm finna cook. Me not gonna cook crab and lobster and pork and shrimp and fish because it's not here. I don't have it. I cooking what I have. Argument done. If you feel like you want otherwise than what is here, you go buy it and cook it. It's just like that, period. No long talking, no long stalking. I just saw the thing said. Ladies, this is a message for you. Be careful of the niggas that y'all take up on social media and say, I'm going to try deal with, because some of them are worse than the little ones that you're talking to right now. They will mad you off, beat you up, rape you off. Well, nobody never rape me, nobody never beat me up, but I'm just going to say, like, you know? You have to really be careful. And ladies, sometimes you don't have to take stand for step. Don't be afraid to call the police. If a nigga there around you and you feel like that nigga needs to go, the nigga needs to go. If you try everything the nigga to go and he's not leaving, call the freaking cops. It not take you nothing for call the po-po. Call them and be like, officer, like, I'm going through a lot right now. When I need y'all to come rescue me, call the cops. It's always okay. If them are going to kill you after it, them kill you for the right. Because if them they're around you, them still are going to kill you. Sometimes you have to take a step. You have to take a step for yourself as females. It's messy, it's hard, but you gotta take step. You can't make people walk over you, you can't make people run over you, you can't make people trample you all the time. It's not good to just sit down and have people trample you. Don't do it. Like, don't do it. Don't make people trample you. Stop make people trample you. Anyways, people, the moral of the story is, you wanna get the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, story time is about to be hot because I'm about to tell y'all some stories. But that story there, I make it up. Nah, laugh. Honestly, that story they make up still. And if you don't watch it to the end, you don't gonna realize I make up that story, yeah? I make up that story, yeah? Make it up. When my friend go through something similar and she tell me about it and she say, I must talk about my story time, but talk it like a me, it happened to. And then tell her say I know me it happened to. So I just talk it like I did me. That's why not much emotions never too in it. But I know my story, as somebody's story. So I just tell the person, I just tell the story for the person. Yeah, I know my story. So the person say, if you tell on say, when the man them look like nice and cute and pretty for Instagram, you don't know if you take them. Them are wicked and them full of girl and them lie and them not go pay on no mind and something. And the person tell me if I come tell her say, I don't know why she come tell me if I come tell her that story I do, you know. Because that story not make no sense. Then good body. Are you wrong, you know? Girl, you're wrong. Because from the boy come the first time and the boy go on somewhere, girl, you shouldn't even have him, you should have did run him, you should have him in your place long, girl. You're wrong, you wrong, you wrong, you're very, very wrong. Me I tell you you're wrong. You don't make a call her upon her phone, make a call her backside. She wrong, man, she not to do it. She very wrong. What kind of mad story this is this money come tell me for talk though, Jesus? Hey, me gone, you know.